Grandpa teaches English. Subscribe now.
I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. I drink water in the morning. I drink water in the morning. I brush my teeth twice a day. I brush my teeth twice a day. I wash my face with water. I wash my face with water. I go for a morning walk. I go for a morning walk. I eat a healthy breakfast. I eat a healthy breakfast. I read a book for some time. I read a book for some time. I pray every single morning. I pray every single morning. I write my daily plan. I write my daily plan. I smile to start my day. I smile to start my day. I take a warm shower. I take a warm shower. I comb my hair neatly. I comb my hair neatly. I wear clean clothes. I wear clean clothes. I water my green plants. I water my green plants. I check my daily tasks. I check my daily tasks. I eat lunch on time. I eat lunch on time. I rest for a little while. I rest for a little while. I listen to some music. I listen to some music. I help someone in need. I help someone in need. I exercise for 10 minutes. I exercise for 10 minutes. I clean my work desk. I clean my work desk. I drink tea in the evening. I drink tea in the evening. I take a short nap. I take a short nap. I walk in the park. I walk in the park. I talk with my family. I talk with my family. I write in my journal. I write in my journal. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I brush my teeth at night. I brush my teeth at night. I go to sleep early. I go to sleep early. I am thankful for today. I am thankful for today.